Hello again, and welcome to another video. And today I'd like to just go through with what I've done so far with the Golf Mk3 project. So originally this car came to me as a non-runner, no keys, no paperwork, been off the road for approximately 12 years. So we decided to take it on and see just how far we could go with it. So got the car running, needed a new fuel pump, which sits under the cover in the back here. Sits under that round cover there, inside the tank. So that was replaced. Obviously new battery, set of keys, and was able to get it started. So since then we've done a service on the engine, replaced the cam belts, obviously that was well out of date, and obviously had fresh oil, and it's also had air filter and spark plugs, distributor cap and leads. So it's all running nice and sweet now. And then we had to put 4 new tyres. The tyres were well out of date. So it's had 4 Yokohamas, so decent quality rubber. And believe me, that does make a difference when you're driving. Nice smooth drive. Bit of paintwork on the wheels. And obviously, as you can see, it's still waiting for some paintwork to be done. We had to weld repair panels into the lower half of the wings on both sides. I was able to get the repair panels quite easily. So that's got to go to the body shop now just to have all that tidied up. So also had some welding on the floor. So to do that I had to take all the interior out, give it a nice clean up, and that's all been refitted. So there's just a couple of bits of welding on the floor at the back and a little bit on the sill, nothing major. Wasn't falling apart by any means, but it just needed those little jobs addressing. So yeah, now it's running really nice. So like I say, the next stage, it's also had the some work on the rear brakes, brake fluid, and has been changed, and also the engine coolant's been replaced as well and flushed through. So yeah, running really nice now. So next thing to do is to take it to the body shop, which I'm going to do today. Get those bits of paint work done and maybe get some paint correction work done on it as well, bring it back to a nice shine. It's a nice nice colour car as well. So I'll let you know on the next video how I get on. So if hopefully we're going to save this Golf and give it a new lease of life, because say the Mk3's now a bit of a doldrums now, the Mk3's, but they can only go one way. So there you go. If you'd like to like and subscribe, if you want some more, follow some more videos, cars, motorbikes mainly. If you're interested, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you again on the next one. Thanks for watching.